Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off eye comfort mode in Realme 14 Pro phone. So the fastest and the easiest way to do it is to simply on the main screen swipe from the top edge of the screen down and down again, and here we have our quick menu with shortcuts to useful functions. By default, the eye comfort mode should be somewhere in here. Here it is. So to enable eye comfort, we need to simply tap it once to enable it. The screen has become dimmer, as you can see, and we can turn it off by tapping it once again. And now the screen has came back to the defaults. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.